Welcome in this first movie for science for A2T. And this is a preparation for the first lesson. And during that first lesson, we're going to do, well, most basically two things. And it's an introduction. It's an introduction to me and an introduction to science. That is, first of all, who am I? And the other thing is, what is science? How does this basically work, and we might continue a bit longer depending on how fast things go during class. But first of all, we will start with Jeopardy. And Jeopardy is a game, it's a quiz. Only normally with a quiz, you start with a question and you need to give the answer. Only this is switched around. You start with a question and you have to give the right answer. Um, you can see over here, I have written down 10 words. Those words are the answers to questions that are in my mind, in my brain. And these questions and answers tell a bit about me. And um, what is what do you need to do? This is the first part of your homework is to write to pick at least two answers and write down the question you think is in my brain. And you need to write it down fully out. And please take care. You need to be careful how you formulate things. Because I am very strict on how you formulate it. That's the first thing. The second thing we're going to talk about what science is. The subject is called science, so what is it? How does it work? Where is it about? That is what we're going to see other parts. And I would like you to write down a few things about what you think science is. And then we will compare notes and see, well, how we continue. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you in class next Friday. See you then. Bye.